chose CALENDOLA Townhouse, where beauty resides.
This is a townhouse with a total lot area of 64 square meters with a spacious 49 square meters of floor size that gives you room for comfortable living both inside and out. As we step inside, you'll immediately notice the open and inviting living space perfect for you and your family. Let's move to the kitchen and dining area where meals and memories are made. This kitchen is designed to give you enough space for comfortable cooking. Upstairs, you'll find well-appointed bedrooms offering comfort and privacy that is very clean and stylish, designed for your convenience. We also have a one bathroom for this townhouse that is very clean, stylish, that you can use all day long. And don't forget the outdoor space, perfect for your car, garden, or simply enjoying the fresh air. No worries, Kakonchava, because this house is already a fully finished that you can move in anytime. And owning this house is simpler than you think, because you can now reserve this house for only 25,000 pesos, because the estimated TCP is start at 4,536,000, and a big no worries again, Kakonchava, because we will guide you to avail this house.
Tara na mga kakonsyaba, I'm here to help you find your dream home. Don't miss this opportunity. Contact our Facebook page and other social media platforms for more info and experience the beauty of CALENDOLA Townhouse for yourself. Thank you mga kakonsyaba!